If your knees still hurt after physio, stretches, rest, injections, and supplements, listen carefully. Because your knee pain is not the real problem. It's just a warning signal. And today, I'm going to show you the exact movements that fix the root cause, not the symptoms, so you can build strong, pain-free knees for life. Here's the hard truth no one tells you. Most knee pain treatments don't actually fix anything. Chiropractors, physio sessions, massages, ice, heat, pills, they might calm the pain, but they don't change your structure. And if your structure doesn't change, the pain always comes back. Why? Because pain disappears only when strength, control, and tolerance are rebuilt. Now I tell you why your knees keep failing. Your knees are what I call victim joints. They don't work alone. They're trapped between weak hips, unstable feet, undertrained quads, poor balance and coordination. When the joints above and below fail, your knees pay the price. That's why stretching the knee doesn't work. That's why resting doesn't work. That's why painkillers don't work. We're going to fix the entire system. Exercise 1. Heel elevated squats, quad and knee rebuild. This is one of the most powerful movements for knee health, and almost nobody does it correctly. By elevating your heels, you allow the knee to move forward safely, retraining your body to trust deep knee bends again. Most people avoid this range, but avoiding it is exactly why the pain stays. How to do it? Slow, controlled descent. Push up through the balls of your feet. Keep the knees tracking forward. Prescription? 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps, 3-second slow negative. Beginners can hold on to support. Progress by adding weight. Add a resistance band to strengthen knee stability. Exercise 2, split squats, joint strength and control. This movement rebuilds knee durability from the inside out. Real life demands your knee move past your toes. Walking, stairs, lunges, running. If you avoid that range in training, your knee will punish you later. How to do it? Slow and controlled. Let the knee travel forward naturally. Stay tall and balanced. Prescription? 3 sets per leg, 5 to 8 reps, 5-second pause at the bottom on the last rep. Start with body weight, then load it with dumbbells or barbells. Exercise 3, long step reverse lunges, hip plus knee integration. This exercise connects glute strength and knee stability, a missing link for most people. A longer step back loads the front knee safely, opens the hip, reduces knee stress. How to do it? Step back slowly, drive through the front heel, keep your torso upright. Prescription, 3 sets per leg, 8 to 10 reps, 3-second slow descent. This one is gold for anterior knee pain, weak glutes, poor control. Exercise 4, barefoot single leg balance reaches. Your feet are your foundation. If your feet are weak, unstable, or disconnected, your knees are forced to compensate. This drill re-educates foot strength, balance, knee stability, full body coordination. How to do it? Barefoot on a hard surface. Reach the free leg in different directions. Keep the heel down and knee stable. Prescription, 3 sets per leg, 8 to 10 reaches in each direction. Progress by standing on softer surfaces, closing your eyes. These movements strengthen the quads in deep ranges, restore knee confidence, build glute and hip support, reconnect foot stability, increase tissue tolerance where pain lives. You don't need more stretching, you don't need more rest, you don't need another temporary fix. You need strength where you are weak. Pain-free knees aren't luck, they're earned. Do these movements consistently, and your knees won't just feel better, they'll become stronger than ever. Comment knees if you're starting today. Send this to someone who's been struggling. Follow for real solutions, not band-aids.